Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach all of you how to create a Roblox game. As you know by the title of this video, these are short 5-minute videos for beginners. This is because there are many long videos for beginner topics. Without further ado, let's start the video. Game Yog. So before doing anything, you need to know that you will need 3 things: a laptop or desktop, a web browser, and a Roblox account. So the first step is that you need to go in the link that I've put in the description, and you need to copy and paste that into your web browser. Just like that. And now this is official Roblox site. And just click the Start Creating button, and you will be able to download the setup file for Roblox Studio. So now you just need to log in to Roblox Studio once you've installed it. So just log in with your normal Roblox account. Now once you have installed Roblox Studio and you've logged in, then you need to click on the new tab. Make sure you're in the new tab. These are all the templates, so you should choose base plate because that's basically pretty much a blank slate for you to build your game on. So we're loading a base plate, and now this is our game. So click in the middle and use W to go forward and zoom in. Use S to zoom out. Now you should use A to move left, as I am, and you should use D to move right. Next, you can use Q to go deep into the ground, and use E to go up in the sky. Next, we are going to use that little cube in the upright corner, and that basically sets our perspective. So I set it to top. Now we're spectating in a bird's eye view, and now if I change it to something else, then I can use another perspective basically. Now let's use part. Let's click on part, and if you will, then you will see a part appears on the ground because we are facing on the ground and we've just clicked on the part. Next, click on the part and there's a move tool, and just click on it, and you can use these 3 arrows to move your tool. One's here, and if you change your perspective, then you can see the third one, which is the up direction. So next, use the scale tool, and you can use these little circles, and you can pull them out just like you pulled the arrows in the move tool, and they will change the size of your part. So if I pulled this blue circle, then I can change the scale and I can make it bigger. And another tool that we have is rotate. It allows us to rotate the part basically. So I can just rotate it, as you can see over here. And we also have a transform tool. This is basically all of the rotate, scale, and move all in one. Next we have snap, and it lets me snap my rotation to 45 degrees. Next, open the move tool, click on it, and here you can see it's snapping, but if you want it to snap more, because it's really unsnappy basically. Here it's 10 studs. Studs is the measurement in Roblox, but now you can see it's really snappy. It just snaps every 10 studs. So now we have this floating object, and the important thing is we can play over here in the test category. And if you see, once we open and it loads, and yeah, it falls to the ground. It just falls to the ground. And if you don't want it to fall to the ground, if you want floating objects, then you can click on it and click anchor. Now if you go and open the play window, and now you can basically see that it's floating, and this is how you anchor objects to the sky instead of making them fall. So let's stop the test, and now we can do one more thing, is that in the properties, open the color, and as you can see, we can just open the color and you'll see a window, and it just lets you open all of the colors and set your color. So anyways, if you liked my video, then please like and subscribe, because it really helps me, and if you found this helpful to someone else, then you can share the video to help them. And if you have any questions, then you can just post a comment in the comment section below. If I can help you, then I will. As always, thanks for watching my video.